What's up, everyone? Viper here with Monday Scratch Off action. Today we're going to do 10 in a row of the Blizzard Bucks. So we're going to do 5 today and 5 tomorrow. So we got 8 through 13. So we're going to see how well we do this week. So we'll play these 9 through 13 tomorrow and see what we get out of these Blizzard Bucks. I haven't played these 10 in a row yet. So I'm curious to see what we get out of them. Also, just a reminder, be going live Sunday, 3 p.m. We're going to be playing the Extreme Green. If can't get that, it'll be Show Me the 50,000. And if I can't get that, then whatever they have available in the old tickets. So we got Rel 713, Net Evelyn, Tennessee Dud Scratcher, Net the Crow, Megan Phillips, Tara Tressler, Bam Bam, Viper, Rel 713, and Chrissy Fike splitting the spot. And as y'all can see, just reminders, no rolls for this coming Sunday. So all the rolls are covered. So we're good to go. So I'm looking forward to see if I can get the Extreme Green to see how well it does, because it's a really old ticket. And maybe some of those good prizes are finally out there. Who knows? So, all right, so let's zoom in here and see what we can do. I'll just go up and down with the ticket because there's no matching numbers here. So all we're doing here over here is looking for a bell for auto win, star for 5 times. Over here, looking for that sled, which I have not found since I've played these tickets since they came out at Christmas time. For 100 automatically. So let's see what happens. Got the Penguin, Holly, and the Snowflake. Okay. So it's a $100 session. So next 2 days we're going to find out if we can get our money back or maybe something good, or if we don't get a whole lot back on these things. So it's interesting to do this. I like doing this. You never know. You play 10 in a row. You might hit something good, find something really good. So, all right. So, I don't see a bell or a star. And I don't think I've ever gotten a star either yet. So, all right. Ticket number 7. This is going to probably be a quick video because it's just symbol hunting. Nope. All right. Here we go. Make sure it's all online. Y'all can see it good. There's that candy cane. All right. And let's just go down up here and make sure. Is this one down here? Oh, it is one down there. Look at that. Wow. Man, it's really low. But it's not a win anyway, so that's a nutcracker. All right. Okay, I don't see any bell. All right, that's 2 losers. Ticket number 6. I'd really like to find that sled, that's for sure. That's a reindeer. It almost looked like a sled. And a holly again. Okay. See how off the tickets are? So you gotta be careful playing this one. Alright. I don't see a bell or a star on this one. Okay, that's 3 losers. What's the odds on this thing? 1 in 3.37. Alright, 2 tickets left. I haven't gotten a win yet. Ticket number 5. Okay, still no sled. Wow, okay. Hope I'm not missing anything here. Bell and a star is all we're looking for. And nothing on that one. All right. Last ticket for today. No wins. 4 wins in a row. Ticket number 4. Did I go backwards on these things? I did, didn't I? I went backwards on these. All right. No big deal. Okay, ticket number 4 went backwards. That's all right. Let's see if ticket 4 has a win on it. Okay, nothing there. Didn't play this one too much because it was kind of a tough ticket to get a win on. Now my shorts, I have gotten some a few good wins on this. I think I got a $50 win, but this looks like there's not going to be any win on this one. All right. All right. This one doesn't have a win. Wow, 5 tickets in a row were losers. All right, no bell. I will scan these in case I missed anything. Let's look at this one real fast. Make sure I didn't miss anything. It's really not that hard. Whoop, look at that. Down here I missed one, but it's an ornament anyway. Not a bell. Alright, so that one doesn't have a win on it either. Let's look at this one. It's going to be a short video. We'll just double check together. Okay, nothing on that one. Oops, sorry, sorry, Boo. There you go, hitting Boo. All right. And Slay. Nutcracker. Wow, okay. Nothing on that one either. Last one. Alright, I don't see a bell or a star. Okay, so it looks like 5 losers in a row. Wow, okay. Well, hopefully this half here is going to have something good. Hopefully. So, okay, I will rescan these to make sure I didn't miss anything. If I did, I'll attach a short video to it or something. So, alright, so 5 tickets, what, through 4 through 8 were losers. That's 5 in a row. And we'll see how well we do tomorrow. So that's going to do it for today. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Leave a comment below, and I'll welcome you to the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one.